Today we'll be reviewing the iPhone 12 and also some extra accessories. Let's get on to the video. Hey guys, so before we start the video today, I just want to say I'm sorry for not making more YouTube videos recently, but lately I've been focusing on a lot of schoolwork and taking time off YouTube just to do schoolwork. But I'm back at it again, making more tech reviews, making more product reviews for you guys. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get on to review. So this is the packaging for the case. Over here we have their logo, some text that says Professional 3C Accessories brand, and over here we have some QR codes for their VK group and also their Facebook. I don't know what VK group is, but that's there. And also it's clear in the very front to show you what the item is. It's a Ziploc bag, pretty much. And in the back it has a nice kind of cloudy color to it. And the back has a barcode for them to scan, just to keep track of inventory. And also some text that says who it's made by. So that's the first actual bag that we get. And the second and final bag is this. This is a clear little bag that includes an installation guide because it is a two-piece case and some people might not know how to take it apart and stuff. And another thing that comes with it is a card that is the same material as a credit card pretty much, and it's their 1-year warranty. Here's the back. You scan the code of that and you put it in a bunch of information like order number and stuff, and you activate your 1-year warranty. And you also can get a free $20 gift card. So that's included. And also we have this little tool. This is supposed to help you pry open and separate the two pieces of the case. So as you see over here, you might see some little numbers or letters, and that's telling you the size of it and stuff. It says that each little triangle piece. And then here's the actual case. The actual case is clear. This back piece is actually a hard plastic. The outer rim of this is actually a really hard rubber, not too hard, but a little bit hard rubber. The actual inside is, I think, plastic, I'm pretty sure. But here's the side of it. You got where the ringer is supposed to be, and also volume. You also got a stop for the camera. I put some Saran wrap because I don't want it to be, not shiny. And also got the other side, which is the power button. And that's it. I mean, it's a pretty durable case. And let's take the tool and open it and separate the actual case. So what you want to do is separate it by inserting it to the very top corner and just pry it open. It might take a couple tries, but all you have to do is pry it open, and you get that. That's your bumper / also part of your case. It's made by a pretty hard, kind of soft plastic, and it looks like this. And then there's the actual without it, and it also has I'm not sure you can see this, but they actually kind of fill it in, so it kind of extrudes out. And what this does is, once you put this on, this will make it flush, so you can insert your phone and you can actually press the buttons and it will actually control them. So yeah, that's the case. It's a pretty standard case. It's pretty clear, as you can see, and shiny. And yeah, that's the clear case. Now on to the screen protectors. So here's the packaging. It has a nice little photo actually how to install it using the include tray. There's the logo, and there's a little link to a video just in case you don't know how to install it. Here's the back. There's some information about the screen protector, some features, some information about the lifetime warranty, and also a little barcode for them to do inventory. Another thing that's in here is a nice little card that tells you how to get a free wireless charger. All you have to do is go to a link that it's on the card and put in information like address, order information, and some other things, and you should receive it. Another thing is a nice little tray that already has a screen protector on it, and basically what this does, it helps you adhere the glass onto the phone bubble free, real easy. Another thing is a nice little bag that's filled with stuff like dust absorbers, microfiber cloth, and wet wipes. And then here's some extra stickers, just to, go on to the included tray, because after you finish putting on the screen protector, you just peel it off and you stick on another one and you put on another screen protector. And then finally we got the actual screen protectors. We got two, and another one's on the tray already. So this is what it looks like. It has a nice little notch for the actual phone, where the Face ID and all the cameras would be. And yeah, it's a nice little solid piece of glass. So next, onto the actual iPhone. Before we review the iPhone 12, let's review two more accessories. First, we have a wireless charger that comes in this beautiful cardboard box. There's a barcode for them to do inventory. Here's the back. It has some information like what wire type actually plugs into the wireless charger and where it comes from and stuff. And inside this box, you get this nice little foam piece that the wireless charger actually sits in without the wire. And inside, there's also another cardboard piece that covers up a little compartment for the wire to the wireless charger, and also a nice little manual. So here's the wireless charger. As you see, it has USB-C and it's red. It has this four little bumpers for them to grip onto a table wherever you're putting on. And yeah, it has this nice little kind of mesh pattern on the actual top, and it's red. And onto the wire. The wire is USB-C, as you see on the actual wire charger, and the other end is actually USB, so you can plug onto your computer or just any type of head that you have just to charge your phone. And now onto the second accessory. The final accessory is a screen protector for your camera, and basically what this does is it helps protect your camera from being scratched or accidental drops, and hopefully your camera should be protected by using a screen protector. And I'm not sure if you noticed, but it's actually from the same brand that I bought my screen protector from the front screen, and it actually comes with the same card, and it says you can actually win a free wireless charger if you insert some information to this little link on the card. And it comes with an orange piece of paper saying that you can register your lifetime warranty in 14 days, and all you have to do is go on the link or scan the QR code, and you're able to register your lifetime warranty. And here's the actual screen protector. The actual screen protector is right here, and under that is a little piece of plastic, and all you have to do is peel that off. Take the little piece of glass, put it over your camera, press it, and just stick on. And not sure you can see, but there's two little circles, and that's for the camera. And then there's a little black dot over here, and that's for the flash, I believe. And there's also a little dot over here you probably can't see on camera, but that is for I believe the microphone. So yeah, that's that, and it comes with two right here, and also another one that just showed you. And it comes with almost the same bag of stuff, dust absorbers, and also microfiber cloth, and also comes with a 2-part wipe system, I guess. So basically, you take the first one wet, you clean the area, then you use the second one to dry the area. So now, time to unbox the iPhone 12. So finally, we have the iPhone 12, and we have the picture of the phone here, and some information on the back, and you probably can't read it, but it says includes, and it says what includes the box. So let's unbox it. And now, time to actually fully open it. Ooh, so I got the blue. It looks way brighter on camera, but it's actually a darker blue. And I don't want to actually, get the glass back, full fingerprints, but there's the two cameras. There's the flash and the microphone. And then here's the front. The actual thing is actually paper. Over here we got a little symbol that says power, volume down, ringer, and volume up. And yeah, so that's the phone. It's actually pretty thin, pretty light. There's the actual power button, and here's the volume and the ringer buttons. And inside the box we get USB to USB-C or USB-C to lightning wire. I thought it would be way longer, but it's actually a lot shorter than I thought. Here's the little package area where we get the SIM tool and also stickers and a little piece of paper. So yeah, that's what's included. Now that I got everything all set up, let's take a closer look at the phone. So as you see here, I installed that nice little screen protector, and it does have a little cutout for the notch. The phone case, the outer rim, is really hard and durable, so it will protect your phone from, side drops. But the back, on the other hand, won't protect it as well, just because it is thinner than the outer rim, but it will definitely take some of the impacts. And I also did install that nice little screen protector for the camera. So you got the two cameras and also a flash and that little dot for the microphone. And I also do have a nice little portable charger that I showed you guys earlier. And all you have to do, since it doesn't have MagSafe, you just drop it on, try to figure out, where the wireless charging pad is, and I found it. And yeah, and that little dot over here actually is the little sensor that, scans your face. You see if it's, just a flat piece of paper or actually a 3D image. But yeah, so that's the phone. And the actual case is, really clear, so you can see the actual phone color. It looks really shiny on camera just because, it reflects. But yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to hit that bell notification to be notified when I upload a new video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also that like button if you want me to continue doing more tech videos and other stuff. Peace.